We are now waiting for the elevator of doom. We are now entering the elevator of doom. Woohoo! Let's see, is it going to take us down, or is it going to just hijack us and take us upstairs?
I'm hoping it goes down.
Alright, hurry, let's go before the door gets us.
Enjoy. We're on the wrong floor.
We're at the wrong floor.
We're in the basement.
We're in the basement?
Yes.
See, I told you, elevator of doom. How do we get down here? You press the right button.
I've always pressed G before. What the heck? You must have changed the buttons. I'm supposed to be down here.
I guess we have to go to floor number 1.
Floor M.
Are we even allowed to be down here?
I don't know. Are you even allowed to be filming?
No. You do. Okay, are we going up? What the hell?
Going to L.
Okay.
Which is made, I believe.
Alright, we'll figure out where we are. I think we're here. I think we're here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're here.
We're in the right area.
Stop. I'm not sure. We want to know what happened to your arm.
Where? Oh, it's milk. Evil child.
Why are you poking me with milk? Don't poke me. Don't poke me. Don't poke me. He's not poking you. He's washing you with milk. It's a beauty treatment. That's not Oprah.